Our planet is a masterpiece, a delicate balance of life that sustains us all, but it's up to us to protect it. Sustainable living isn't about perfection, it's about progress. It starts with the simple realization that our hands hold the future. Start in the heart of your home. Swap single-use plastics for reusable glass jars and a trusty coffee cup to reduce waste. When you shop, choose local and organic. Using a mesh produce bag is a small choice that makes a massive impact. Turn your kitchen scraps into gold. Composting returns vital nutrients to the earth, creating a perfect circle of life in your backyard. Embrace slow fashion by choosing quality over quantity. Long-lasting, high-quality clothing reduces the burden on our landfills and looks timeless. Harnessing clean energy from the sun or wind ensures a brighter, greener future for the generations that follow us. Every action you take is a seed planted for a better tomorrow. Your journey towards sustainability begins with a single step. Every small step counts. Start your journey today and be the change our world needs.